Hey everyone, I'm going to do a short tutorial video on how to do Mimi Tachikawa's face. So, get my reference out, since I rely on them for a lot of things. We're going to do the front view, so it's going to have equal symmetry. So first things first, we're going to get started on the head shape. Doesn't have to be perfect, equally round. Using a symmetry tool makes it easier. You can just always erase it out later. The neck. And let's start with the eyes. I'm going to draw the iris. There we go. And let's put the lid. Draw lashes. Draw the lid. Now the eyebrows. Put the circle on the eyes. Next layer, draw circles for the eyes, make them sparkly. Now to draw the bottom lid as we combine the layers together. And you draw the dot in the middle, and you just draw her smile. It's very easy. Now, for the next layer, you're going to learn how to do her hair. So we're going to start here. Oh, let me get the symmetry pen in the next layer. We're going to start here. And we're going to go like this. Don't worry, you could fix it up later when you're done. So zigzag, straight down. And you draw the squiggles. Do another one from the line, straight down. There. Now we're going to sketch out the ears. And draw the inside of the ear. Draw the top of the hair. And let's fix it up by erasing. So since I'm using a symmetry tool, I should erase manually with the pen. So look even. And I can fix it up with the pen. Add little details, lines of the hair. And there you go.